Meera. I'm a resident of Samachar Apartments for the last 22 years, and I have been I got a lot of interesting anecdotes in my life happening. But the most interesting thing about it is my comeback performance in Frankfurt, because basically I was a dancer, and the way I had come back to the stage after a gap of 16 years, that I consider is a really very interesting episode. My cooking for me is not really a hobby. It was a necessity to begin with, and being posted and lived out of the family environment for long years, I had to do something very quickly tasty, because I had really active taste buds, and to satisfy my taste buds it was very necessary that I do something very yummy quickly. Because of the job factor, the time is always a constraint, and it has to be very filling, because once you have your meal, then it is I'm not sure when I'll have my second meal. So it was very necessary that I had to have this underlying principle of yummy, fast and filling. My cooking idol is, I must say, is Sanjeev Kapoor, because I watched some of his programs, and I was really impressed by his way of handling things in the kitchen. And I have not tried this radical rice earlier, except when now today when we had this competition. But I found its aromas, particularly this aqua rice, is very interesting. It has a special aroma, because I used basmati rice earlier also, but this fragrance is quite different from the others. So I think I'm really carried by this aroma, and I think I'll go on with this particular brand of rice for some time at least. And aqua mist, among all these samples I found, was really good. My favorite preparation is mango rice. As I said, I have three basic principles of cooking: fast, yummy and filling. This really meets all the three demands, and this is mango rice is what I had prepared today. Among all kinds of rice, I would prefer the organic rice, because I feel that it has all the nutrients, and the body gets all the vitamins necessary for it. Otherwise, the polished rice doesn't really have all the nutrients. It just fills your stomach, but then you lose out on all your vitamins. So I prefer the organic rice. Thank you.